Hi and welcome. This is the very first app which I made, and I made it a few weeks ago, maybe over a month ago actually, and I made a few tweaks to it today because I learned some pretty cool stuff today, so I thought I'd implement it to this very simple app made on Android Studio. So I utilized the relative layout, which meant that I could position the image view and the text views however I wanted. And I gave it a width and height of match parent to utilize the full screen, no matter what size screen it was going to be viewed upon. I utilized the image view, which is the kitty cat in the back, and I gave it a match parent, both width and height, again to utilize all available space. And I utilized a scale type of center crop. Now, that means that it puts the picture in the middle and just keeps it in the correct, what's the word? Sort of resolution. It doesn't stretch it or anything. And this way I was quite lucky. My kitty cat was right in the middle, so she fits in perfectly. Then the two text views that I've used, the top one, I gave it a width and height of wrap content with a margin of 20 dp and a text size of 55 sp. Now, one thing to always remember is that dp is utilized for things like margin and padding and width and height, whereas sp is utilized for the text size. The color that I went with is yellow. It just meant that it's easily visible with this different colored background. I thought it kind of worked best out of all the ones I tried. The other text view, slightly different. I gave it an align parent bottom just so that it would stay down here. Rather, if I didn't put that, then it would have ended up just under this text view here, or literally below it. I gave it a margin bottom, left and right, different values, just because of the amount of writing that there is. The font family I used for both is casual, which I thought was quite cute, which goes well with the kitty cat. And slightly smaller SP for the second text view. All wrapped up in the relative layout. Now, one thing which I learned today was that you can get rid of the bar, the action bar at the top here that has the name of your application, and also you can make it full screen. So to get rid of the action bar, all I did was I changed dark action bar in the styles XML to no action bar, and that just gets rid of the action bar, which is pretty cool. And then in the main activity Java file, within your onCreate method, I put this bit of text, a bit of code, which makes it full screen. Now, you can't really see it in this preview because it shows the little line up there, but on the actual phone, when you run the app, it's definitely full screen. And you can have a look at the pictures which I've uploaded in the post. So yeah, hope this was useful or at least interesting. And yeah, I might do others. Okay, thanks. See ya.